Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming here with another super cool product from IOGEAR.com. This is their Quantum Thunderbolt 3 Docking Station Pro 85. This thing's pretty darn amazing in the features that you can take and do with this. It'll run 5K resolution or dual 4K resolution. It's got a display port video output of 4K at 60 Hertz. It's got up to 85 watts of power delivery pass-through, a Thunderbolt 3 USB-C expansion port. It's got 40 gigabytes data bandwidth, USB-C for the ports of 3.1 USB, two USB 3.1 Type A ports with BC 1.2 fast charging, so that'll fast charge your mobile devices that have that ability. Gigabit Ethernet port, 3.55 millimeter audio input and output. And so pretty cool that way. It works awesome. We got a chance to test it out, plug it in, kick all the bells and tires. There's not really much to see in showing it testing other than it works. So there you go. Anyway, we highly recommend it. Be sure to check it out. Go to IOGEAR.com. Check out the Quantum Thunderbolt 3 Docking Pro Station 85. You can also see all the other IO Gear reviews we've done on the Chris Voss Show just by searching in the upper right hand corner.